Good morning students. Let us study the today's intermediate second year topic, the DNA structure continuation. So in the previous class we have seen the different structures of the nitrogen bases which are present in the DNA. So can you see the different nitrogen bases? Thymine, adenine, guanine, cytosine. In case of RNA, uracil is present in the place of thymine. So thymine is replaced with the uracil in the RNA structure, whereas in the DNA structure you will find the thymine. Also we have seen the phosphate structure. The valency of the phosphate is 5. So you can see the 5 bonds with the OH group, 3 bonds and 1 is with the ketone group. Now let us study the structure of the sugar molecule which is present in the DNA. So see here, this is the ring structure of pyranose ring structure, ribose structure, where you can find the presence of OH at the top, at the first carbon. This is the first carbon. This is second carbon, this is third carbon, this is fourth carbon and this is the fifth carbon. So can you note 5 carbons? In this ring-like structure, you will find OH is present at the upper position and here also in the 5th position it is present attached to the CH2. Now second carbon, if you see, the second carbon is having the hydrogen in case of DNA. So there is no OH at the second position. That is the reason we are calling it as a deoxyribose. Deoxyribose, 2-deoxyribose. That means at the second carbon there is no OH. D means removal of oxygen. So OH group is not present at the second position in this ring structure of the ribose sugar. Ribose is a pentose type of sugar because penta means 5. So you are finding the 5 carbons. This is a pentose sugar. If the second position is not having the OH, in case of DNA, you call it as deoxyribonucleic acid. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. The third carbon is having OH at the bottom and in the fourth carbon you can see the CH2 is attached at the top and hydrogen is present at the bottom. The structure of the deoxyribose sugar which is present in the DNA and the structure of the ribose sugar which is present in the RNA. Can you see ribose sugar? This is present in case of RNA. What is the difference? Can you note? Here you will find that the second position there is OH. Second position carbon is having OH. Whereas in DNA it is not having the OH at the second position. See here the second carbon, it is not having OH, it is having 2 hydrogens. Here it is having OH group. So can you see OH group at the second carbon attached? This is the main difference between the sugar which is present in the RNA and the sugar which is present in the DNA. So DNA has 2-deoxyribose sugar and the RNA has ribose sugar. Uracil is present in the RNA and in the DNA you can see thymine is present in the place of uracil. So these are the differences between the nitrogen bases and the sugar molecules which are present in the DNA structure and the RNA structures. Phosphate structure is same in DNA and RNA. So there is no difference. It is same in the DNA and RNA. Other nitrogen bases like adenine, guanine, cytosine are also similar in DNA and RNA. Can you see? DNA and RNA both are having adenine, guanine and cytosine. Only thymine is present in DNA and RNA is having uracil. So these are the differences between the DNA only, DNA and RNA only. The top are the nitrogen bases and the bottom is sugar and phosphate.